Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how you can reschedule a delivery in Amazon Shopping in 2026. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now, once you have placed an order, you will be basically having like a time zone where this delivery is gonna arrive. For example, from now 2 weeks, from now 1 week, it really varies and it shows on the product page once you select an order. So for example, here I'm going to select this PC, and as you can see here, they are telling me that the delivery should be within Friday, February 20. So 2 weeks from now, or yeah, 1 week from now, or 2 weeks from now. So basically, what if I wanted this day to be later? What if I wasn't going to be at my place during the day? So what can I do to change it? Well, simply all you need to do is to follow this very detailed, very small and easy to follow basically article. So some items require scheduled delivery due to size and weight. You may be able to update your scheduled delivery date and time on orders that have entered the shipping process by visiting your orders in your account. So to change the scheduled delivery date, first condition is that they should be already in the shipping process. So if I ordered this and it hasn't been shipped yet, you can't really change the delivery. So until the shipping process enters within the process of the product, then you can change the date. So go to your orders by clicking in here and then select the order that you want. So, and then click reschedule. From the calendar, select another date and time that works for you, then click on confirm. If your item has not shipped off, or if you didn't schedule your delivery date and time during the checkout process, you won't be able to change your scheduled delivery date in your orders. You must contact Amazon customer service to see what options are available. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.